This is the MagBak RimCase here. I just got these installed on these 21-inch Ubertine wheels here. You can see it just has a really nice fit on here. Fits in here like a glove. Each piece goes in really nice and easy, and it just does a really great job here of protecting the wheels. And if you have any curb rash on here, just going to be all encased underneath here. So definitely want to check these out. They do a really nice job on the wheels here. It's a really easy fit. They go on nice and easy. I have these on a different Model Y and I'm very pleased with them. Very happy with them. They do a really great job. Highly recommend picking these up. These stock wheels here are susceptible to curb rash. If you touch it on a curb, it's going to get all chewed up. And the black wheels are just going to show the silver inside. It just looks like a mess. So this way, if you hit these on a curb, you just replace it, or you could it's just a much better solution. So definitely want to pick these up if you have a Tesla Model Y or Model 3. This is the RimCase by MagBak. You can see a really nice packaging here. This is exactly what you get. You get the wheel set and the valve stem segment, and it's in some really good packaging and very easy to put on. You get these put on in probably about 45 minutes, all four of them. Highly recommend checking these out.